Have you ever pondered what the future of healthcare might look like? In this rapidly evolving world, healthcare is not just keeping up, it's leading the charge. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is becoming an integral part of our healthcare systems. From predicting patient outcomes to streamlining the diagnostic process, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare. Imagine a hospital where AI systems can analyze complex medical data in a fraction of the time it takes a human doctor. Or a world where AI algorithms can predict the future health risks of a patient, enabling preventive care like never before. Not only does this mean enhanced efficiency, but it also translates to better patient outcomes and increased access to care. Now let's take it a step further. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just assist, but leads the diagnosis and treatment process. Does it seem too futuristic? Think again. Meet Sophia, a 45-year-old woman who lives in a remote village with limited access to healthcare. Sophia's story begins with a mystery, an unexplained ailment that puzzled local doctors. The symptoms were complex and baffling, painting a picture that was hard to decipher, until the intervention of artificial intelligence. Sophia's medical history, symptoms, and clinical data were fed into a telemedicine platform powered by cutting-edge AI. This AI tool wasn't an ordinary machine. It was a repository of vast medical knowledge, encompassing millions of patient histories, a myriad of disease patterns, and the latest medical research. It was like having a team of world-class doctors, each a specialist in their field, all working together to solve Sophia's medical puzzle. The AI tool analyzed Sophia's data using sophisticated algorithms that mimicked human cognitive functions. It cross-referenced her symptoms with its extensive database, hunting for patterns and correlations that could lead to a diagnosis. And it succeeded where humans had failed.